Hi YouTube. Got something a little special today. I picked myself up a Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer RC truck. Now I have no experience with RC trucks. This is kind of like my first thing getting into it ever since I was like 5 and had a weird little remote control one. But I wanted to see what it is, so let's open it up and have a find. Now just right off the bat, the thing is huge. It's got a good bit of weight on it. Box has some beautiful decals, graphics. Yeah. Let's get a knife and rip her open. Now when I bought this, I was after something that would have some kind of scale realism. Something that actually looked and behaved like an actual truck would. And I saw a video of this and I loved the way it looked like it handled the suspension movements. It looked super cool. I mean, probably definitely out of my skill range, but oh well. Get all that out of here. Out of there. Okay. That one. Oh, that's it. All right, moment of truth. Which way's up? Oh, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Thing is massive. That is ridiculous. Ah, it's heavy. No, I just want to put this up on the wall. Stand back and look at that for a second. Oh, don't need that. But look at that suspension travel. That is beefy. All the little details, like apparently that's an actual real drive shaft you can swap out. These are real tires you can swap out. God, that is gorgeous. Pick it up. That is sweet. Real suspension parts. That's kind of tiny. Yeah, look at that. It's got little fire extinguishers. Little, I guess that's supposed to be oil reservoirs for the shocks, but yeah, those are fake. Fake radiator. Fake little oil cans. Oh, that is slick though. Just can't get over just. Look at that. That is, that's amazing. Look underneath. There, you can kind of see the shocks there. Look at all that travel. That is nuts. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Slowly. Oh. The all-important radio. There. Doesn't feel too bad. I honestly thought it'd feel a little beefier, but whatever. It's all good. Let's see what came in here. How do I get you open? Need a knife. Oh, we got a piece of foam. I'm assuming that's for the battery stuff. A little mini tool set with a adorable little tire iron. Like I said, I have no clue what most of this stuff does. I can figure it out. I'm assuming this is for jumping battery plugs, so you don't have to use 2 batteries, you can just use 1. Let's see. That thing, some stickers, tools, warranty stuff. Yeah, quick start guide. Neat. Pictures. I'm sure I'll read that later. Oh, just look at it. That is gorgeous. Now I'm going to give a shout out to Ultra RC in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. They hooked me up with all this stuff. Gave me a pretty fair price and everything, so I got the single battery charger, 2 4S batteries, just so you have extra runtime. That's about it. I can't wait to get these charged up and ripping. Weather's kind of shitty out today. It's rainy and muddy and gross, and I don't want to get this all dirty. It is just... I just want to just pick it up and drop it over and over again. That is fun. That's going to be a beast. Nice one big piece body. God, those tires are beefy. And the suspension. Well, body feels pretty thin. Actually feels very thin. Some spots are thicker, like up there is pretty thick. That's pretty thick. That's pretty thin. Yeah, just, wow, that is unbelievable. Now, I've heard these trailing arms are a common replacement piece. Lots of companies make aluminum ones, such and such. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. Well, I'm going to figure all this stuff out, get some batteries charged up, and hopefully I'll have a video of me just ripping around with it. Again, don't know what I'm doing, just having fun. Thanks for watching.